grilled corn with Ranchovy butter. So, yeah, the corn's been soaking for about 45 minutes in the salted water. I have the fire in the center of the grill right now. So if you put the corn all around the exterior and then close the lid, the corn will start to cook. And then if we want to get some color on it at the end, we can flash it over the center later.
Over the center.
So then you just go right on the edge. Fantastic.
I like this.
You could grill with the best.
I like the grilling part. Here, you take the bowl.
Yes.
Because I don't want to end on a bad note.
No, never. I'm gonna go about 3-4 anchovies in there. All right, so we have the zest of a lemon. We have the juice of a lemon.
And I'm just kind of mashing this in there.
Smashing it up. And then I'm gonna take 2 cloves of garlic, and we're just gonna grate that in. But I feel like with this, Lizzie, this is like, you know, what's that? Few of my favorite things. So you get the ranch, you get the anchovies. It's like, I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna be in your good graces for weeks after this.
Yeah, maybe just with this butter.
Just the butter. Okay, and as you're grating, I am going to add a stick of room temperature butter.
That's nice and soft.
And the great thing about butters like this is we're doing it on corn, but compound butters or flavored butters, great on steaks, great on chicken, great on fish. Like, this is a butter that you could put on a bunch of different things as it comes off your grill or out of your oven. Teaspoon of smoked paprika.
What other spices would be good in there?
You could put a little heat in there. Cayenne might be nice. You know, even a little celery seed, which we used earlier, might be nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 3 teaspoons of the ranch powder.
Yeah, because we want this to be ranchovy butter.
Ranchovy.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's good. I'm gonna take a look at your
Did you put any
corn.
lemon juice in this, or just the zest?
Zest and juice of 1 lemon.
Okay.
Okay, what about adding like some parm or something in there?
Ooh, parm would be good. Like that Mexican street corn.
Yes, that's what I was thinking
And they put
of.
the hard Mexican cheese on there, cotija, with lime zest.
Actually, lime zest in this butter would be delicious too.
You already have lemon in there, Citrus Girl.
I know.
Citrus Girl.
The Adventures of Citrus Girl.
Okay, I'm gonna sort of leave this butter in the shade, and you could even like take this and maybe re-chill it a little bit.
Be really nice on chicken and stuff too, right?
Yeah.
I moved your corn from the center.
To get a little char. Because that shouldn't take long, right? Like
no,
about
because
2 minutes
when we close it, the outside, and because it had that salt water on there, it kind of steams it, and it gets it tender. And then we move it to the inside just to get a little bit of char and to finish cooking it.
Yeah.
And then it's ready for the anchovy butter. All right, so Lizzie, I'm gonna start pulling this off.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
And then you wanna start buttering it?
I'd love to.
I think you have a little pastry brush.
Oh, shoot. That's right.
You wanted it so bad.
I know, and I'm not using it.
All right, so there's the corn. And as you're brushing, I'm gonna finish up these ribs. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yes.
And I know you're not gonna be shy with it, so I'm not worried about that.
I know. You don't have to worry about me not putting enough butter on something. And I'm really only doing one side because it's gonna kind of run down. You don't wanna, I mean, I joke with myself about butter, but you don't want to over butter.
No, you want to balance it out.
You don't want to over butter?
I feel like if you butter this,
oh boy, that is looking good.
Yes. Okay.
The butter.
The corn is A+.
It must have been whoever grilled it.
I'm telling you, it is cooked so perfectly. I wish everyone could taste my spectacular grilling skills.
It looks really good.
It's really good. It's really good flavor. It's not overcooked. It's still got some crunch to it. Got butter, and it's delicious.